So in this situation, there was a sliding door here, which kind of got in the way of the dining table. So we framed all this up, did all the drywall on the inside and the T111. And then we installed this two-panel bifold door. So a two-panel is real different. With three panels, you can have one door that opens by itself, so you can open and close it. Two-panel, they fold every time you open and close the door, but they operate really nicely, and they actually give you the full opening. I think it's an amazing door. This is the inside of the bifolding window. The outside's black, which you just saw. But if you notice, it's got these big ball bearing hinges here. So it operates very much like a door because it is a miniature door. That's what bifolding windows are. So with this particular unit, this is a two panel. If it was a three panel, you would just have one of these that just opens and closes all the time by itself. But then if you unlock the center, then they would all three stack to one side. So you can open one of them or all three. With a two panel, you have to operate both at the same time. You can't just operate one by itself. But it's great for kitchen windows, great for smaller windows, smaller openings, where you're not, having to put in a huge glue lam. But as far as opening it, all you do is you just take this handle, turn it, grab this handle, push out a little bit, and you can just continue pushing there. Or you can just come over here and just take, and just open it all the way up. Now, these are actually very, very, very heavy panels. So you are going to hear it's suspended with rollers up here and suspended with rollers down, and actually with rollers in the bottom track. So you are going to hear them a little bit when you go to open and close them. Very, very tightly weather stripped all the way around, and very easy to operate, no matter how much they weigh. So you get that closed, you pull them nice and tight, and turn your lock, and you're good to go.